Hi there, I want to show you the kind of thing you can do with Winsor & Newton's metallic markers. First, take a non-stick shiny surface. I'm using a ceramic tile and scribble 2 or 3 colours on randomly: violet, silver and a bit of blue. Now spray with some water until you see the colours mix. Then place a piece of uncoated card on top. Press it down, then lift it off and allow to dry. Now use a Winsor & Newton metallic marker to wet a decorative rubber stamp and stamp the card in the centre. Finally, use a gold metallic marker to add a border and some wording. We have hundreds of different Winsor & Newton markers to choose from. Why not try our broader range of Winsor & Newton markers such as Pro, Brush, Neon or Watercolour markers to make your creations go further. Thank you for watching.